Here at Crash Course, we have a simple goal: to create the highest quality educational videos at the lowest possible price. And I don't mean the lowest possible price we can get away with charging, I mean the lowest possible price, which is, of course, zero. To do that, we have to be very efficient with how we spend money while not sacrificing quality. That's tough, but after 10 years, 44 courses, 13 million subscribers, and 1.6 billion views, we now spend around 5 cents per person we help learn about their world. But if you want to help tens of millions of people, that adds up. Each Crash Course series has a team of experts ensuring not just that our content is high quality and correct, but that it is compelling and memorable and even beautiful. We don't think that free content should be cheap, we think that it should be the best in the world. So how do we do it? We do it with your help. Last year, we announced the first ever Crash Course coin, minted in Arkansas from hand-engraved dies, each one representing your ability to help us reach either 2,000 or 10,000 learners. Money from our Patreon and the first coin made up 37% of our budget last year. You are not a small part of what we do, you are how our work gets done. And now, and for the next 14 days, you can get the 2022 Crash Course coin. There's the $100 coin that will enable us to reach 2,000 students, a $500 coin that will allow us to help 10,000 students, and for our Patreon patrons who recently surpassed their 3-year anniversary supporting Crash Course, the 3-year patron coin. Featured on this year's coin is the work of unknown artists who lived in what is now France around 17,000 years ago. The art at Lascaux Cave has fascinated people ever since its modern discovery in 1940. The 2,000 learner coins and the patron coins are minted on nickel silver, while the 10,000 learner coins are minted on thicker brass, and each one of those will be hand-stamped with a unique number. There will only be 500 of these made, and each one will come with a signed thank you card from me, Hank Green, and my brother John. We are so excited for what is in store for the future of Crash Course, and we are equally excited to invite folks who are able to be a part of our work in this way. Your purchase will allow us to continue our work, better support our teams, and expand what we do this year as well as in future years. Learning is not easy because the world is not simple. If learning were easy, it would just happen. Teachers wouldn't need to be so skilled and students wouldn't need to work so hard. It will never be easy. But that doesn't mean that the world doesn't need us to work hard to make it easier for students and teachers and learners of all kinds. If you want to be a part of that, the 2022 Crash Course coins are only available until June 13th, and we are only making a limited quantity. Own a piece of our history and a piece of your impact. Go to crashcoursecoin.com now or check the description for a link and be part of our work. Thank you.